Welcome to Group's decorating series for Scuba VBS. In this video, we'll show you an overview of the assembly of the tube sponge accents for your Scuba VBS set. You can download supply lists and instructions free at group.com/VBS tools. First, cut about 6 pieces of mesh ribbon in varying lengths. Roll each piece into a tube shape, tucking the top of the ribbon into the roll as you go. Staple to secure the tube. And then attach various groups of sizes and colors together. There you go, a simple set piece that gets everyone's imaginations fired up, ready to add to your Scuba VBS set.